Bills. The rest of put on the here. Then you tell me easy, you know, man. I think I will run and blame them, man.
Oh, I never know say I follow them thing there.
But then the two are for light still, you know. But you see when me hear Nicki Minaj name call, so me start meds it, you see me?
Nicki Minaj, how she get involved?
Then now, so she take side with blame them.
So she stopped the music?
I don't think so, why you ask?
Because she not a blogger them business from money like she turned counselor.
Not a bad thing still. Maybe she just want to help you them, you see?
Or she a look clout.
I don't think so still, you know. Remember say a great Nicki Minaj that, you know.
I know. But sometimes them do them things there because they want to stay relevant.
No man, she don't really need to do this for stay relevant, man. Then Nicki Minaj, them money can't done, you know.
And the money me I talk about. Them like when them name called up every day.
A real thing, man. Her name really I call up no friend the other day.
And I be a mix up with Jamaican TikTokers from Naya, Bossed to Rosalie, no World Dog and Blam them.
I want to tell you say I be a loose ball game the man them a play from what they end. Cause man all a give up man home address and them thing they make man all a page man woman and them thing there, you see me?
That a for them business cause the whole of them are dead friend.
Real talk. That's why man them fi just low off the internet with them loose behavior there.
Man to man is so unjust, you don't know who to trust.
So you don't feel like you have real link out there? Well, you don't have to meet certain way.
I don't trust people. That's why I always have to look out of my eye them.
So you don't trust me?
To a point, yes?
Just to a point?
Lando, remember so we just meet.
So what do you mean by just meet? Almost a year now we are linked.
8 months and 1 week?
Almost a year that. So how long it take for you to trust people?
That depends on the person. Remember say you have to earn trust.
So me not really trust you.
Not yet.
That mean me not fi trust you then.
That up to you. I can't force you to trust me.
So what really going on in your life make you not trust people?
Cause my father cheated my mother with her sister.
John, a real girl is behavior that still, you know.
And nastiness that only a man would have seen this as a girlish behavior. You see why you can't trust man?
Sure. Joke me I make you know. You don't have to take it so serious.
No run them joke there. You know how that mash up my mother?
Sorry about that. Never know it's so sensitive.
I not even chat to my father, my auntie from that.
So how long that?
9 years now.
May you still carry that day?
But now I ever forgive them.
And at that make you not trust people?
Yeah, that's one of the reason.
So what the other reason?
My boyfriend did I look my best friend.
Really? So you get to find it?
I turn up on me had and she did it then.
What? You catch them and do something?
It looked like them did just about to start.
John, no babe. Sorry if you know you did go through that. But not everybody stay there way there.
I know not everybody stay so. But I not drop my girl just so.
That mean you use for them fat and fry me.
I not use nobody fat for fry Lando. But I can't force myself to trust you. It have to just come naturally.
Alright, babe. My offers. Just know so that now got happen from me, yeah?
Make sure that it not go pretty.
So how that sound so?
How it sound?
Like a badness you deal with.
Straight badness.